Imagine turning your social media activity into a thriving business. What if I told you that platforms like YouTube and Instagram are not just for fun only but are actually gateways to financial freedom? Let's unlock these secrets together. Hello and welcome to my very first video. I am the Pro Bono guy, who will share research-driven insights for business and lifestyle. I'm thrilled to start this channel and embark on a journey with you, exploring how we can use social media not just to scroll, but to achieve real financial freedom. Today, we're diving deep into YouTube and Instagram, two powerhouses in the digital world. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the vast world of social media, wondering how a post or a video can turn into profit, you're not alone. Many entrepreneurs and creators like you and I find it challenging to move beyond basic interactions to actually generating leads and sales. But that's exactly what we're going to master together. On YouTube, we'll leverage long-form content to build deep connections and provide value that keeps viewers coming back. From how-to videos to in-depth reviews, each video will serve as a brick in the foundation of your digital empire. Did you know that top creators on YouTube can earn upwards of $20,000 per million views through ads alone? Creators like MKBHD and Casey Neistat have built media empires, blending personality with profound insights into technology and life. I have added a video on how to launch a YouTube channel explaining the strategy most successful YouTubers use in order to gain subscribers and monetize their channel. Switching to Instagram? You can use its dynamic features like stories and reels to catch the eye and capture the heart. Some influencers have turned their Instagram fame into multi-million-dollar profile by harnessing the power of short, compelling content that promotes insights, humor and entertainment. And here's the revelation. Each platform offers unique advantages for businesses. YouTube rewards you for creating content that people watch longer, enhancing your visibility and revenue potential. On the other hand, Instagram, with its focus on engagement, can help quickly grow your following and direct traffic to your products and services. For example, a single sponsored post from influential profiles can earn thousands, depending on the niche and audience size. As we build our strategies, remember the ultimate goal: transforming viewers and followers into customers and clients. We're not just chasing views, we're crafting a community and creating value. I'm excited to be on this journey with you. If you have questions or ideas for what you'd like to see on this channel, comment below. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated as we tackle more strategies to achieve financial freedom together. Let's make it happen.